This is what it looks like. I really like all the greens and the browns going through, and it's not just green, you know what I mean? It's like there's depth to the eye. To my preference, I feel the dragon's eye is a mystery, right? Let me get a good grip on this one somehow. Well, let me take this off the screen first and then come back. Look at that. Isn't that stunning? Well, that's a dragon eye, right? Look at that. I like it. It is nice. My eyes are all dry, and I did put that black coating on the back, and this is what they look like. Isn't that neat? I like it. So whichever way you turn them, look at that. Isn't that amazing? I like it when you look at it like this. It just changes. Like, see there? Nice, right? Cute. I have a black mask here. We can try it on here and see what it looks like. Let's see, have to get it to stay still. Look at that. I like it. And then the side. See there? Isn't that neat? I like him. So cute. So I don't know if I want to use the screen one yet. I want to have some options when I'm ready to use some eyes for my dragons. But I have the screen one, and it's been fun experimenting with these eyes, you know. Now you can be as elaborate as you want with the eyes. I've noticed. It's all preference how you create these eyes, you know. You don't have to use 10 nail polishes to get the desired effect you want. You can use 4 if you like. Just alternate between those 4 nail polish colors and you can get the same thing. I started with this one. This is the black nail art. It's by LA Colors. And then I used this one. This is Maybelline, and it's called Jaded Jade. This one is by China Glaze. It is called Trash Can Do It Attitude. I have Sally Hansen's, and this one is called Limestone. I have this one by LA Colors. It's a nail art polish, and it's called, color is Lemon. I have this Maybelline, and this one is called Tropic Talks. And then I have this one is Flower, and let's see, does it have a name? Don't Be a Wallflower. And then I have this one, it's Believe Beauty, and it is called For the Win. And then this is Colored Vibe, and it is highlighter. And then there's this one, it's New Color, and then the color number is 907. And then I finished it with this one. This is Maybelline, and it's called Slay It. So those are the colors I use. Again, like I said, you don't have to use a whole collection of colors. You can just narrow it down to 3, 4, you know, maybe 5. I was just going after a certain effect on my eyes, is why I just kept adding colors. But don't be afraid to, like, if you don't really like it, don't be afraid to go ahead and just take some nail polish remover, wipe the whole thing clean, start all over again. You know, experiment all you like. But how cute are these, right? I just love them. I'm happy with the way they turned out. I do have one more pair of eyes I want to share with you, and they are also green. Look at this. These are LED tea light candles from the Dollar Tree. I love these eyeballs. Let me show you what it will look like. Oh, we're going to find out together what it's going to look like on the mask. Alright, let's try this and see what it looks like. Take one on this side. The only thing with the using the tea lights is you have to sync your lights together to have the same color on each eyeball. But look at that. Isn't that fun? So with these tea lights, they're large enough to where it'll cover everything on the eye. So you just have to press down on there, and then I would just glue the whole thing down. See, this way you still have access from the back side to turn it on, because you do have to turn this whole dial to turn it on and off. So this is another alternative. If you need green lights, you know, you can use this. But I think it's fun to create these. You know, create one in every color you can possibly think of, but have fun, right? I hope that you like this idea and that you give it a try. And thank you for stopping by. This is Aurelia and Aurelia's Crafting Ideas, and I will see you next time.